Athar, stop this virtual thing. No need to show all these things in the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. Good morning, Anya. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Athar, you are not sending your work. Huh? And not regular to your class. You were not well, now you are okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. I am sending all the work.
But I haven't received.
Ma'am, I do all the work.
Very nice. Don't close your camera. You're not supposed to close your camera, child. You have to keep it on. And don't do all this virtual presentation at your back. Understood?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Get ready with your book. If you have any queries, you can ask in between. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Nobody is going to close the camera. Ishan, open your camera. Mishika, open your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Mishika. Mishika. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Open your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Mishika, beta, you are not sending your computer work regularly. May I know the reason why? Is there any reason, Mishika? Why did you
Ma'am,
not send me your work?
Ma'am, because of net connections, some issues are there.
This is not the excuse. You can send it on my WhatsApp number. And you did not inform ever ki ma'am, my net is not working. Did you inform?
No, ma'am.
Then how do I come to know ki you have a net problem? Now 15 children have come. Let me wait. It's at 9, 10, 56. I'll wait 4 more minutes. Then I will start my work. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I am requesting children to open your camera.
Mama, प्याज प्याज का काम कम करी प्याज का काम
What is this? Mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, kindly be regular in your sending computer work. And those who did not send me the assignment, I will cut 2 marks. Those who did not send me the assignment. It is not that thing ki all the time we will write your names in the group and then you will send. You will not get full marks in this test if you have not sent your assignment of 10th.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have done all the work and I've sent on your ID only.
I have checked, but when I checked last, it was not there. Now I'll check today again.
Okay, ma'am, I will resend it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. So it is very essential that you should complete your work on time and send it to your teacher. Otherwise, you will not get marks, full marks. And children, you have done your previous test 1, very good. Everyone has scored very good marks. As you must have checked with your solution key also. So you must have come to know how much you have done. So I want this test also you will do nicely. Who is this with Namita Singh's name? Please come with your own name. Otherwise you will be marked absent.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please come with your own name. Who is this with Anita? Name Anita. How do I come to know who is Anita? Huh? When it is not in my name list?
Ma'am, I have renamed.
What?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'm just marking your attendance also, and I will take your attendance in the end. Okay. So if you are not, I will not get you in the end, then you will be marked absent. Now still 28 children have come. It is now 11. I'll wait one more minute. Mitisha, open your camera. Artika, open your camera. Okay, children. So before we start, let us close our eyes for 2 minutes and pray for the peace within and outside, and also pray for everyone's well-being. Come on. Open your eyes, children. Let's get started, okay? Let me admit these. Supragya. Who is Richa Raizada? Whose name is Richa Raizada? Please come with your own name.
Varcha Suraj.
Varcha Suraizada, please write your, rename your. Okay, now I will take attendance later on. Now children, as you know, we are doing chapter 4 and you have a test, this time subjective only. Okay children, as you have got the assignment test you have got on the 10th, you have given your work, same way you will get the written test this time, and you have to write the answers and send it to us. Okay, understood everyone?
Ma'am, in the same format.
In the same format. In the same format, you will get the answers, comprehension and analysis, in which you have to write your answer. If it is true, then tell why it is true. If it is false, then you tell your reason why it is false. Okay. And in application-based questions, you have to tell how do you get that option. Okay. How you will help somebody if someone asks you that the person is requiring this thing. Okay. So let us start, and I'm going to share my screen, and children, if you have any query, you can ask me later. Okay. I'll give a chance to speak to you. Who is this? Please mute yourself. Nobody is going to disturb the class. Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen. Just wait, children.
Ma'am, we can't see your screen.
I'm sharing, beta. Let me share, then to you see. Are you able to see now?
Yes,
Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Here are okay. Okay, here are few lines which are written on the
School is written on the top.
yes. I'll just adjust everyone here. Okay, so you can see, I'll just make it little big. Make it 16. Okay, so children, the chapter is advanced features of Word. So what are the advanced features? Because in the previous chapter, you have learned about how to format the text, change the font color, size, and how to put your text in different alignment, left, right, center. Okay, so now today little advanced features we will learn. As you have learned already, just we are revising. Okay, so here you can see children, we are basically going to learn about these features: find, replace, word art, insert text, text box, and insert shapes, all these things. Okay, so just we are revising. Here you can see this is a home tab, and on the home tab you will get the option Okay, so here in the home tab, you will get the option, many options. And before this is called the ribbon. And inside the ribbon, you will get these groups: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles. Now, on the home tab, we get the border and shading option. So if you need to apply border and shading, you can click on the home tab, paragraph group. This you have to mention. This is the right way to mention in your answer. Where do you, means you have to tell the whole address. If you, I want to come to your place, so you should give your whole address, then to I can reach to your home. Otherwise, if you give me half address, then how can I reach? So simply you have to write, if suppose I ask where you get the border and shading, so you should tell home tab, paragraph group, and then borders and shading line, and border and shading option. Yeah, border, bottom border, this way coming. Okay, now, so the main thing here, I have written the text. Now, as I told you in the last session also, how to find and replace. Find is the option which helps you to find any text in your document. In the assignment, there was a question, you can find only once. No, you can find many times, as many times you want. You can find your text in your Word document. Okay, so here I'm going to use the find option. So simply when I click on the home tab and editing group, in the last right hand side, the editing group is there, and inside the editing group, there is a tool find, binoculars are there. When I click on it, I will see this option and one navigation pane will open. Okay, now here suppose I want to find some word, I'll write here school, because I have written school so many times. So as soon as I type school, you will see children, in the left hand side it will show me how many times the school has come in my text. Okay, so this way you can find any word, letter, text in your document. Now I'm closing it. I'm going to use now shortcut key to find any text. So what is the shortcut key? Control plus F. Okay, so as soon as I press the Control F, you can see again this navigation pane has come. So same, either you can use the option or you can use the navigation pane. So from here also you can check. Okay, this way you can check your document, right? Now, find, if you want to replace something. Now, I want that wherever I have written the school, it should come in capital letters. It's depend upon our need, what we want. It's not the just now because I'm teaching you. So that's, I'm using this option, that find what. So I have already, it's written school because it is highlighted here. That is why it has come. Let me cancel it. Okay. Because the word was highlighted. That is why it was coming like this.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Some child is asking what the problem, so I'm just giving
Ma'am,
the
you're
answer.
not audible.
Huh? I'm not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Is I'm not audible?
Ma'am, you are audible.
You are not audible. Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, now those who are having a problem, I'm not. So please just try to listen carefully. Okay. Now I'm going to press this option, replace. So replace, it says which word. Suppose I want to replace this capital my is written, and I want that my should come in small letters. Okay, just for, I want to show you, because whatever is written, it's okay, fine. Okay, so it says find next. First it will highlighted this word. This tab is can you see this tab? It is highlighted, this button is highlighted. Okay, so it will say find next. So first my has come. If I need to change it, then I can change it. Otherwise I will say find next. Okay, if I want to change it, then I will say replace. Okay, so you can see it is replacing. It's, let me do it again. Replace with what? So I will say replace. Something happened wrong. Okay, find what? I say my. And now I want to replace with small, replace my. So Arey, what happened? Just a second.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, I cannot start the video.
huh? What?
Ma'am, I cannot replace it.
Now it's working. So you can see it has replaced my with capital my. Okay. So this way you can change your text, right? Now I'm closing it and I'm saying undo because I don't want to change it. Okay. So I'll say undo. Just a second. I have to admit children here.
Okay.
Wait.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, audible, but don't RF, sit straight, okay? Okay, children. So all of you understand how find and replace works. Now, children, coming on the next topic, that is insert tab. Now we are learning about insert tab. Tejas, open your camera, beta. Insert tab. So on the insert tab, we are going to learn about how to insert picture, clip art, shape. Basically, we use these three options. And here you can see just now you can see it has come under the illustration group. So now if you want to insert any picture, just simply click on the picture and you can get it from your wherever you have saved. You have to, if you have saved in the documents, you can take it from there. If you have saved on the desktop, you can take it from the desktop. Just now I have inserted this picture as a using the help of picture option. Now, if you want to take any ready-made picture, predefined pictures, which are given in the MS Word, so that you can take it with the help of clip art. So again, you have to get inside the insert illustration and then clip art. So you can get the navigation pane here in your right hand side, and then just click on the go option and say, suppose I want to take this picture, so I can take this picture very easily. Okay, so this way you can insert any ready-made picture which is available in your MS Office. Even you can go for, if you are sitting online, you have a internet connection, then you can take it from the office.com also. Okay, now children, again, insert option tab also gives one more facility under the illustration group. That is a shapes. So there are many shapes, and under the shapes there are sub shapes, recently used shapes, lines. If you want to work with the lines, there are many lines options. If you want to work with the rectangle, there are many options of rectangle. Basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flow chart, star and banner, call outs, there are many. Okay, so suppose I am taking this one, this shape I am choosing, I've chosen this. Okay, so here you can work on the shape also. Now I will come one by one, and as soon as children, if you see, I have taken the shape, automatically one tab appeared on the top, one extra tab, that is a format tab. Means now you have many options to make changes on your shape. So what changes you can do? You can insert shapes, get styles, word art styles, text, arrange, size. There are many. Okay, but you site. Who is this? Children, don't please mute yourself. Some voice is coming. Okay, now see, my cursor is blinking here, and you see the tab has vanished somewhere. Okay, so that tab appears, the format tab appears when you, yes, Araf?
Ma'am, by mistake.
Okay, now, so if my cursor is blinking here, you can see the tab has vanished, which has come as a format. But once I click on any picture, automatically format tab will appear. Okay, if I click on this picture, you can see, if I click on the clipboard, if I click on the shape, automatically that will come here. Okay, so this way children, you can insert picture, clip art and shape in your document. Now the thing arises, how can we insert, now I'm going to, on the next page, how can we insert text inside the shape? So now again, I'm going to take a text. I'm just going to take a one shape here. Suppose this shape is here and I want to type something inside it. So simply what you have to do, click on the shape, right click your mouse button, and as soon as you right click on the mouse button, you will get this pop-up menu. This is also called shortcut menu. Okay, so on the shortcut menu, you can click and say add text. What do you say? Add text. So as soon as you write the add text, you will see here the cursor is started blinking inside. Let me change the color of the box so you can see easily. So this is the white color. So you can see the cursor started blinking. Now I am typing here some text. So I have written welcome here. Okay. Now I want to increase its size. So I'll go to home and increase its size like this. Okay. So this is the way you can insert the text inside the shapes. Okay. There is another way also to insert the text in the shape using the text box. Now I'm going to insert some another shape. Suppose I'll take this. Okay, So here also I can do the same thing, add text, then the cursor will start blinking, but you see, you notice, cursor always starts blinking in the center of the screen, center of the shape. Okay, now if I want to add text box, so I can use text box also. So simply, how do I get the text box? Go on the insert tab and text option, text group, and you click on the text box and just simply click on the text box and click here. Wait, let me come out from this. Insert text box. Now there are various type of layouts, text boxes there. I'll just say text box, and I can place my text box inside the shape. I can resize it using these resize handles. Okay, using these resize handles, so you can place your text inside. But what is the difference between it? The difference is that, children, when you have typed the text in the shape, it is coming without any background color. But when you want to type any text here, the text box color is coming white. Can you see? Now I can add my text, welcome here, and you can see it is starting from the left hand side. If I want to make it center, so I can do it center. Okay, this way. Okay, and here you have an option that you can color your text box, you can resize your text box, and as much as big text you want to add, you can add with the help of text box. Now if you want to, again, just I'm clicking outside, now I'm clicking on my text box, so you can see the format option has come. Format option has come, and I will click on this format. Okay, so now I can change its shape, color. So just say I want it be this color, the text box should be of this color, and if I want outline, so I can take some other colored outline, and if you want
Ma'am, I
outline
can't hear
weight
you.
should be little broader, so you can change its point.
Ma'am, I can't
Okay,
hear you.
and then shape
Ma'am?
effect, if you want to give a shape effect, glow, then you can give, you choose the glow.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
So beta, it's your device problem. Others can audible, others can listen to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So others are listening, so how can I help you? Okay, so this way, whichever shape you will select, that will be changed. So this is the work of text box, and text box also help us typing on some picture. Suppose this is here, no noise. Okay, so you will not get any option to add any text on the picture. So text box help us to add picture on the text box help us to add text on the picture. So now I'm taking, and here I will write here. Just I'll press the backspace key. Let me add again. Okay, here I will write my home. So this way, children, you can add your text easily on the picture. You can replace, or you can send anywhere. Or can you see the white background is coming? But if you don't want, you can remove the background color. Now let me bring it center and make it little big. Okay, font size little big. And then format tab, and then I will say shape fill, and I will say no fill. So can you see the shape color has gone? Can you see, children? Now if I want to change its text color, because on the black it is not visible, so I can change the text color from here. I can make it yellow. So this way text box help us to add any text on some picture or somewhere. you want to add text in the shape, and suppose the outline is coming. So if you don't want outline, then you can also say no outline. Okay, you can say no outline. This way you can add your text. Now same way, who is this? One who misbehave, I'll throw them out from the class. Please behave yourself properly. And nobody will do chatting here. Okay, now children, I think I am clear with this. So
Yeah, right.
how to add? Now you have learned about placing the text in shapes, inserting word art. Now you can add word art. How do you use this feature? Now suppose I have I want this text should be written in some stylish way, so I can add word art in some shape also. So simply I'll just cut it and go to insert and say word art. From here I will choose this text, and now I add my text here. I'll write here, same word I will write. So what it does, it gives you a ready-made options, right? Means you don't have to need to change the color. Automatically the shadow is also coming on the text, and outline is also coming on the text. But if you need to change, you can change it also. Suppose text with I'm not writing the red color, I can do it blue color. Okay, so this way you can see it has some shade, gradient, everything is there. So word art, you can use word art to enhance your work. You can make it your text in a decorative way. And if you want to change, then again you see the format tab has come. You can change the text effect, and now I can transform. I can write in some stylish way. So suppose this way I can write. So you can use word art feature to decorate your text. Now children, suppose I want to add some symbol. So how can I do it? Simply, everyone knows how we can get the symbol. Suppose I am typing something here. Now in the same box I want some symbol. Okay, so let me go to insert and then symbols group. Insert tab, symbols group, and then symbol option. Okay, symbol tool. Can you see 2 times symbol? Insert, then symbols group, and there is a equation and symbol. Okay, so in the equations you can get all the mathematical equations. You can get it from here also. Okay, and then we'll say more symbols. And here now I want to add Om word. So just let me change the Hindi font. I'll take a Hindi font, Aprajita. Okay, and let me find Om word. Is it there? Yes, it is. Yes, it is here. Okay, so I can say, and children, you can, if you know the Unicode, then you can do it with the help of Unicode also. So now this way I can say insert and say close. So you can see where it's gone. My cursor was here only. Let me insert outside, then I just show you.
Ma'am, welcome
Yes,
spelling
it is here. Welcome spelling is wrong, so I'll correct it. Now it is fine. Okay, so now I can make it big and cut, and then I can paste it here. So inside this, Let me, only half of this is coming. Let me check why. Yes. Can you see the symbol? Ohm is coming. So I have to adjust all
Yes, ma'am.
shapes because it was a text box. So I can just shift it here, and this way you can insert.
Ma'am, I use flyer. Ma'am, I made flyer with these things only.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, I want to ask you something.
Ma'am, just now I'm taking a live class. After 1 o'clock, I will fill, huh, ma'am? Because all are filled, ma'am. All are filled. Only three class grades are remarks are left. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They are doing. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, with
Okay.
the help of these things only, I made a flyer.
Very nice. Okay. So now, so children, I think all of you are clear with this. Okay. Now we will see how to insert watermark. We will see how to insert watermark. So let us see. We will go to where? Page layout and watermark. Okay. So now you know you can use all these simple watermark. You can use your own text also, but I am using custom watermark. So in the custom watermark, I'm going to add some picture. So I will add picture watermark and select the picture, and then I will say already the one picture is uploaded on my desktop. So I will choose the desktop and say Rose here and say apply. So you can see already this picture has come as a watermark, very light. Can you see the light picture? Because it is hidden with these shapes and all. Can you see? Rose picture is coming. I'm just
Yes, ma'am.
shifting my text box and all. So you can see.
Yes, ma'am. It's very light.
It is because watermark is always a faded picture. Impression which comes.
Yes, ma'am, we can see it. Yes, ma'am.
Now children, how to add border and shading? Just suppose I want to make a border around it. I'll go to home and go to paragraph group and then border and shading, and then I can say custom. Okay. So here you can, there are many others. You can choose whatever options you need. You can do it. So here styles are given, many styles are given. You can choose any style, page borders. There are shading. If you want to give shading to your, here you can see the preview also. So this way you can add, and if you want to give broader, suppose I am taking 4.5, you can see here the preview also, and you can see the border is added. You can make it stylish also. Okay. So this way, now if anyone have a query, they can ask children. I think I have covered all the chapter, all the topics of this chapter: watermark and clip arts, applying border and shading, inserting cover page. Cover page means children, suppose when you make any project, have you ever made any project? So you always first page you decorate it very nicely, right? You write in all decorative text, word art and this and that. So you can add your
Yes, ma'am.
cover page. So how can we use the cover page? Can anybody tell me how to add the cover page? Go to the insert tab and then pages group and cover page. So children, you will get all these ready-made templates. Suppose I want to add this, so I can add here, and my text, my document will start with this page. So this way you can see automatically it's Preeti Kumar is written. If I want to change something, if you don't want, you can delete it. If you want to add,
Ma'am, I have a query.
add it. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Alak
Ask.
Singh Baghel. Ma'am,
Yes.
in the test, ma'am, in the test, we can write the shortcut keys only if you ask
You
find
write all the things which you know. So if it is asked shortcut key, you tell me the shortcut key. If you know it is asked for the full options, and if you know both the options, you write in safer sand. Okay. So wait. And children, do you know how to add a mathematical symbol, math symbol? Last time I have told you about how to add this rupee symbol. How do you get that? Shortcut key of that. Rupee symbol shortcut.
Ma'am, my network is not working. May I call you in the evening?
हाँ. Baghel. Alak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Control plus Alt, both the keys you press together and press 4 key, number key. Then you will get CTRL, then plus ALT key and plus 4 key. All these 3 keys together. But you have to press Control first. Keep your thumb on the Control, then the other finger on the Alt, and then the other finger on the 4. Then this symbol will come. And you can insert with the help of symbols also. If it is a shortcut key, then you write shortcut key. If it is write the symbol and then go to symbol, and then you here choose subset. You have to choose what? You have to choose what? Currency. You have to subset me. You have to choose currency symbol. Then you can see the rupees is coming like this. You find where is this R symbol. It is here. So you can insert from this way also. Okay. And if you know both, you can write both. No problems. This way you can insert the symbol. Yes. So children, I'm just going to take attendance once more, and open your camera, everybody. Please, all of you open your camera, children. So let me see and take your attendance. Okay.
Open my camera. I cannot start my video.
Wait, and please be ready or unmute yourself and give me attendance fast. Mishika.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Nehal, you can leave now. If anyone have a query, first wait. If anyone have a query, I'm giving to ask. If any child is having any query. No? Okay. Snehal, it is already 11:37. Snehal. And it is your subjective paper, written paper will come, okay children? Lakshita.
Present, ma'am.
And Alak. Unmute yourself, everyone. Avnija. Anmolik.
Present, ma'am.
Anmolik.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ishan. Those whose name given present, they can leave. Lakshgarg is there. Lakshgarg. Don't sing. Lakshgarg not present, I think. Arnav Goyal. Arnav Goyal is there. Shashwat Gaur. Shashwat Gaur is there. Anvesha Gupta. Artika Gupta. Vihan. Aradhya Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejas.
Present, ma'am.
I've already taken the attendance, but whose I have not taken. Samriddhi Prakash, now I'm taking the name whose I have not taken. Samriddhi Prakash.
Ma'am, you have not taken my attendance.
Anvi.
Mishita Mishra.
No, I have taken. Anvi. Anvi. Anvi is there?
Ma'am, you have not taken my attendance. Arav Singh.
Wait, I'm coming to you. Aradhya Singh. Aradhya Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Arav Singh.
Ma'am.
Arav Singh.
Present, ma'am. Arav Singh present.
Abhedya. Mishti. Misty. Misty.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Samveer.
Ma'am, you didn't take my name before Anvi.
Shanti.
My name.
Huh?
Ma'am, Shantanu Singh present.
Oh, I'm telling you,
please,
children, those who I have marked, I'm not taking the name. Whose I have marked? Who is this Preeti Palkor? Whose name is this Preeti Palkor?
Can I leave? My attendance has been taken.
Mishti is there. Samveer.
Present, ma'am.
Shantanu. Aryavardhan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Satyavrat. Satyavrat is there. Ananya. Ananya.
Ma'am, have you taken Harshal Pandey attendance?
Yes. Arunika. Arunika.
Ma'am, have you taken attendance?
Ma'am, Akshita Solkar.
Arunika Shrivastava I'm calling.
Ma'am, Satyavrat Singh.
Yes, Satyavrat, I have taken your attendance.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
beta. Aryan Srivastav. Aryan Srivastav.
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Abhigna.
Ma'am, you didn't take my name before Anvi.
Wait, don't say ma'am, ma'am. Abhigna, let me call the names. I am responsible. I'm just taking whose name I don't have. Supragya.
Yes, present, ma'am.
Vidushi Srivastav.
Present, ma'am.
Vedatman Tandon.
Present, ma'am.
Ivisha Tripathi. Ivisha Tripathi. Ipshita Tripathi.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ipshita Tripathi present.
Khushi Yadav.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Please take Athar Kushwaha's attendance as I was disconnected due to network.
Yes, Athar Kushwaha, I have already taken yours. Sarthak Kushwaha,
Ma'am, Akshita Solkar.
Harshal Pandey, Samrat Prakash, Varchal,
Ma'am, Akshita Solkar.
Pritubhaya, Anvi. Yes, Akshita Sonkar I have taken.
Ma'am, present.
Present. Mishti, only Mishti, Arunika, and Shashwat, Arnav, and Laksh is missing from my class. And Khushi Yadav. Now, children, bye. And if you have any doubt, you can ask, or you can call me also. Okay? Right? Okay. Bye, children. Leave.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something.
Yes. What?
Ma'am, I have recently.
You are not audible to me. You are not audible to me.